Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Asawang Filipina here. So today's video, I challenge myself to speak English. So I'm gonna teach you how to drive. And enjoy watching. Hello everyone, so I'm using a Toyota Wigo automatic car. So we are now in neutral. So let's put off the key. Let's off first. Okay, how to start a car? So you have to insert your key here inside. Okay, insert your key, then turn your key. Because in the automatic car, you cannot lock without park. It's in neutral, so let's go to park first. So then pull out the key. Ayan, off. So okay, let's start the car. 1, 2. This is what you see when you click 2 times. So this is the signs of your car. When it's red, when you start your car and it's red, then there's something wrong with your car. So just check your manual's book. Okay, let's start. Let's foot brake, then on the car. Yeah, so the car is on. So okay, so how are we gonna start to drive? First is make yourself comfortable first. Seat belt. So again, so now we start the car. So okay, make yourself comfortable. Check the mirror here. There's a sign here when you use automatic car. There's left and right here in this corner. Wait, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm using an automatic car, Toyota Wigo. So here's the sign for mirror. Down, left and right. So this is your left. Here's your right. So the car is on park. So let's go drive. So how to drive? First is you have to wear seat belt. Hello again. So I'm back. So first, before you start to drive, because everything is ready, the mirror is set, the seat belt is on. So I have my shoes ready. Where's my shoes? Let's open the window so that we can see. I'm wearing transparent sock when I drive, so my feet get stressed. Okay. It's boys' feet. Well, anyway, foot brake. Then you have to, this is the handbrake. You have to release your handbrake first. First is we have to put the park to drive. Foot brake, park to drive. So drive. So this handbrake, press it down. Ayan. Okay. We're here and ready to roll. When you use automatic car, remember it will just move by releasing the foot brake. So release the foot brake. So the car is rolling forward, moving forward. So the position of your steering wheel is here. Straight lang. Don't move your steering wheel when you are in the straight lane. So foot brake. When you are just starting to drive, don't use gas pedal. First is you have to practice yourself how to release the foot brake. Foot brake slowly. Release it. Then foot brake. So my position while we're still new, so we have to put back first to, let's see, neutral. To make it safe, handbrake up so that the car will not move. So the handbrake is up, so we can release the foot brake. Okay, down. So my position of my foot is you have to, these two, relax your feet here for support. You have to focus on like this, straight lang, flat. This right foot. Well, anyway, foot brake. This this one, the tip, the ankle. Well, anyway, yan. Because I'm challenge myself to speak English this time. So, lock. You have to lock and then gas pedal press like this. Press. Press. Then this is the gas pedal. Foot brake. This is, they call it accelerator. So you press it just gently when you swerving. Ayan. So there you go. Steady. That's all. It's so easy. But the rest of the gadgets inside the car, you will learn it when you know how to drive. So that's my technique when my first driving. So this is my first driving lessons when my husband teach me how to drive. And thank you for watching. So okay, I'm on my seatbelt now. It's the seatbelt. You push here the button, click to open, push to lock, push to lock. Ayan, the car is starting now. So okay, everything is ready. Check the front, both mirrors. This is an English challenge for me, so peace yo. Okay, so let's go drive. So first is, how are you going to center your lane? I'm gonna show you the white stripe. I look for a white stripe here around the area, and then we will see the white stripe, the steering wheel, and the driving. But of course, first, let's focus on the driving. I'm gonna show you my feet. So that's our day today. So that's, you're gonna remember. That's my challenge for today. I speak English to all of you guys. Subscribe, like, share, and comment sa mga comment. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.